that are just stuck on the road. And, you know, essentially what happened here, so I was driving around last night, and you had this extended commute. You know, we know how long Suffolk County is. You know, people were struggling to get out of the city all the way home, and the storm just came down hard and fast, and cars just got swallowed up.
Yeah.
And as emergency vehicles started coming out to try to help and assist, you know, and the storm kept coming, you know, many of those vehicles got swallowed up. So
how many cars are there now, would you say?
there are about 150.
Right now? Still about 150, okay. And what's the plan there?
Well, the focus overnight has been getting people out of their vehicles, and, you know, we were able to pull approximately 120 people out of the vehicles. We used assets from the National Guard. I spoke with Governor Cuomo yesterday. He said whatever we needed, and we had to call on those assets last night. We had from Farmingdale and West Hampton National Guard the snowmobiles that were used to pull people out of cars overnight, and they've been delivered. Snowmobiles, yes. This is the first time I've been involved in clearing snow for a long time now.
This is like right down the street from me,
The need for snowmobiles.
or down the road from me.
Put this into perspective.
It's my exit, and that's right by 83. It's exit 63, which is going to Northern Avenue, which is also known as Highway 83. This is like 5-10 minutes up the road from me.
Before this deep in areas that came down this fast, with the high winds like this, that caused these huge drifts. I don't think we've seen a storm like
You
this.
were watching News 12 with
at
me.
least in my time, that's for sure.
Yeah, I have a question about the folks that you removed. You brought them to, I don't know, by Firehouse, I hadn't heard, but where did they go?
That is a police car. Y'all see that?
And Farmingville Fire Department
That was a
did
police
an
car.
outstanding job coordinating with them. Suffolk County Police last night, the National Guard, New York State Troopers. It was a great joint effort to pull people out, and they've been taking the warming stations at the.
Remember to follow me on Twitter at YOLO, which is YOLO _ EST, or established, _ 1989. YOLO _ EST _ 1989. That's my Twitter. Follow me on Instagram at Diamond ENT2K. Diamond ENT2K. And follow my Tumblr, which is Diamond ENT2K. Or if you want to find it by email, you can find Diamond ENT2010 at gmail.com. Oh, and my Facebook, which is Jasmine Boyd. Facebook.com / Jazzy, JAZZY .Boyd, B as in boy, OYD. Be sure to follow me. Watch News 12 Long Island for more coverage. If you don't have News 12, because you're like down south or something, you can get it on the internet. Go to news12li.com, or just hit me up and I'll give you more coverage about what we are going through in Long Island. I miss down south now, but toodles, gotta go.